In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Invoice on Clio. By the end, you'll confidently move from the Clio homepage to a clean, readable invoice view without getting lost in menus or options. Start by heading over to Clio.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Clio site and in your account, you'll land on the main dashboard. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your plan and settings, but the navigation will feel familiar whether your menu runs along the top or down the left side. From the main navigation, look for Billing. This is where Clio keeps everything related to invoices and payments. Click Billing to open the billing workspace. You should now see a list of bills. Depending on your firm's activity, this list may include drafts, bills awaiting approval, unpaid invoices, or fully paid ones. If you're scanning through a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow by client, matter, status, or date range. This saves time and helps you zero in on the exact bill you want to review. Once you've found the correct bill, locate it on the list and focus on the actions available on that same row. You'll see an edit dropdown or a small menu icon, often represented by a downward arrow or 3 dots at the far right. Click that edit dropdown. This is where Clio groups useful options for each individual bill, keeping the list clean while still giving you quick access to what you need. From the Edit dropdown, choose View Bill. That's the option that opens a read-only version of the invoice so you can review all the details. The bill will open in a dedicated view, sometimes in a new tab depending on your browser settings. Here, you'll see client and matter information, issue and due dates, itemized time entries and expenses, taxes if applicable, balances, and totals. Use the on-screen controls to scroll, zoom in for clarity on line items, or move between pages on longer invoices. This view is ideal for checking accuracy, confirming what the client will see, and making sure formatting and totals look correct before you take any further action. If you don't see the edit dropdown at first, try widening your browser window or scrolling horizontally. On smaller screens, that menu can be tucked to the right. Also note that permissions in Clio can affect what you're able to view, so if a particular invoice doesn't appear, you may need access to the associated matter or client. That's it. Go to Clio.com, open Billing, find your bill, use the Edit dropdown, and select View Bill to open a clear, share-ready invoice preview.